Hi, in front of me is TCL 10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can customize your keyboard theme. Start by going into Settings. Now scroll down and choose System. Now Language is an input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and click on the plus sign under My Themes. Pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Now adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, apply it. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!